Nangarap ito si Boy. Pwede na itong isama sa sa santong lugar. Malakas na mag-hiking. Ooh, we're almost there. So dati nakatuto ako lang mag-isa. Ngayon kasama natin si Boy. Let's go! Oh, akit kami ni Sancho sa Buddha. Kuy, let's go na! Oh, baka madapa ka naman. Yun, tinanggap na ni Sancho ang challenge. Aakatin namin ng Buddha. How are you, Kuy? So far so good? Let's do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Second one. How are you feeling? So far so good?
Yeah.
Nga, Messi, thumbs up. Okay. Okay, nasa pangalawa na kami. Let's go to the third one.
No, you forget to count.
Whoop, whoop. Oh, I forgot to count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay.
And
We are on the third one.
That signs what?
Okay, we are on the third one.
That signs what?
It says, do not cross.
Okay.
Bawal mag-cross dyan. Bawal tumawid. Okay?
Bakit?
May harang eh. Okay.
Bawal magpunta dyan.
Yes. Oh, how are you feeling? So far so good.
Yeah?
Okay, let's do it again. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Rest. Okay, how are you feeling? So far so good?
Yeah?
Yeah, we are on the fourth one. Let's go.
Why is it the arguments are not counting? Wait, this one was...
Okay.
This one was...
Oh, you forgot to count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
And here, there's another sign.
Okay, we are on the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Fifth one, fifth floor. Okay, going to 6. Let's go. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Whew. Hey, Kuy, look at this. Okay. We reached the sixth one. Yeah, it's equivalent to 6th floor already. So Sancho Boy here. Are you feeling good?
Yeah?
Very easy.
Yeah?
Mm.
I look at that whole mountain.
Yeah. Tall mountain.
Whole
You
tyrant.
wanna rest or what? Continue? Okay. Rest muna or continue? Water. How about water?
Okay.
Okay, water daw. Okay. Water. Okay. Okay. Uy, dami. Uy. Okay, let's go to the 7th one. Let's go. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Be careful. 13. 4, 13.
This story you did the sum.
Okay. 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, we are on the 7th one. Let's take a rest.
There's no entrance.
Yeah.
You
Are you feeling good? Are you feeling tired? Or what? Feeling tired na? Just a little.
I don't break it with my fan.
Hey, Rest muna, rest. Let's take a 1 minute break. 1 minute break. We're almost there. Okay. Lapit na. Pahinga lang kami para hindi mabigla si Kois. Baka biglang mahimatay. Okay. Okay. Let's start counting again. Let's go. Dito ka sa kabilang side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes.
And you forgot
We are on the 8th one. Okay. So dati nakatito ako lang mag-isa. Ngayon kasama natin si Boy. We're almost there.
Yes.
Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's rest, let's rest, let's rest.
One more time.
Ooh, we're almost there. So, we are on the ninth, almost ninth floor.
We have only one one. We have
Medyo
only
nakakalimutan ko na nga yung bilang eh.
99 times
Let's
left.
go! What? Ano, feeling tired na?
Okay.
Not yet. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, rest muna, rest. Okay, oh, rest muna si Kois. Baka biglang pulikatin. Nung inaalala ko dito yung pababae. Tayo tayo dyan, baka magpabuhat. Ito yung view namin ngayon. Medyo mataas na.
我都有感觉了，你肯定有感觉。
There you go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Look. We reached this. Okay, let's rest here. Uy, dito ka.
Or should the entrance here is open?
Yeah, this one is open. You can go back if you want.
And that one is closed.
也就上去了，看咱们的。
So, andito na kami ni Boy. Medyo malapit na. Nak, dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang. Magpahinga ka muna. Pahinga muna ikaw. Pahinga ka muna. Pahinga ka muna. Pahinga ka muna. Dahan-dahan lang tayo. Dahan-dahan lang. Picture mo na ikaw, daddy. Tingin. Look, look. Let's go. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dahan-dahan lang. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Lumaratrat na. Lumaratrat na si Boy. Pwede na itong isama sa sa santong lugar. Malakas na mag-hiking. Oh, we're almost there.
你这游戏呢？
Ito, nak. Ito. Pahinga dito.
Oh shit, it's locked.
Koy, tingin.
We're gonna go to the tent.
1,
And
2.
that's 11 so high.
Yan. Hindi na kami nagbibilang ngayon. Taas na namin eh. Nakalimutan na yung bilang. So, malapit na tayo. Eto na. Yay! Almost there. Ano, continue or stop? Let's go. Continue daw. Let's do it. Let's do it, boy. Do it. You can do it. Oh, last one. Last one. You made it. You made it. But you have to be quiet, okay? You have to be quiet.
There it goes!
Quiet lang, quiet
There
lang.
goes down.
Quiet lang tayo.
That one is, the last one is in rock.
Yeah.
The 11 one is so high.
Quiet lang tayo, nak. Let's go there. Let's go this side. Let's go this side. Let's go this side.
That is,
Hey, no, no, no. Let's go that way.
There is in rock.
Wow, there are.
Ay, hindi. Meron pa doon.
It.
Look, ayun, no? Golden statue.
Whoa, how?
Hey, be careful. You have to wait for me. Ano, pagod? Pagod na?
Looks like it seems like to go down.
Bakit? Pagod na?
Yeah.
It's okay. Dito. Dahan-dahan lang. Baka mapulikat ka. Whoops! Yun na, sinasabi ni Daddy.
That's a close one.
That's a closed one.
I almost fall.
You almost fell.
I almost.
You almost fell. Uy!
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa, another one. Hey, sit down here.
Wait,
Sit down.
look, maybe.
Uy, sit down.
What's that?
Look at the view here. Uy, nako dyan.
Let's go downstairs. Daddy, bakit round sa? Anong kulay?
It's a metal.
Daddy, I met
Metal yan, yeah, metal. Ay, metal ba yan? I don't know. Maybe it's a metal or stone. You made it.
Oh,
Congratulations. Good job, sir.
And then let's go downstairs.
Let's rest muna para di ka malaglag. Kasi pag di tayo nag-rest, malalaglag tayo dyan.
Saan?
Doon, sa hagdan. Good job, Kuy.
Daddy,
You made it. By the way, ito yung Strava. Ayan, no? So, mga 20 minutes namin tuloy-tuloy na inakyat to. Tapos, nung i-attempt namin umakyat doon, nung umakyat na kami dito, yan, banda dito, sabi ni Boy, ayaw niya na, go down na. Hindi ko na pinilit. Baka nakaramdam na siya ng pagod sa binte. Pero sobrang good job pa rin. Hindi sinukuhan ni Boy yung mga hagdan. Proud of you, man. Proud of you. Kiss daddy. Ikaw talaga. Love you. Love you. Wala ba love you to? Love you to. Love you.
Daddy, can you hold this with my electric fan?
Woo!
Can you have this?
Ako na mag-aako niyan. Let's go na, Kuy. Uy, nak! Huwag na tumakbo, huwag na tumakbo, huwag na tumakbo. Nak, huwag na tumakbo. Sancho, huwag na. Let's go na, baba na kami. Wala nang video to, delikado. Let's go.
Diyan ba? Diyan ba yan may color?
Yeah, di ba may kulay? Doon tayo nagpahinga nila, Mami. Tingnan natin. Tingnan mo, baka nandun sila.
Kayo ay nawala ba kayo? Pagpunta ko ulit. Daddy, punta ka na.
So, it's time to go down. Let's go. You made it! You made it! Let's go, quiz. Tara, dali. So, yun. Officially, nakababa na kami ni Kuis and successful ang hiking trip ni Kuis sa hagdan. Ano yan? What's that? Let's go! Andito sila, Mami. Yeah? Galing naman ni Kuy. Let's go.